Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can turn off notification of story because it will create a irritating for us when we are busy. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the email and you will see profile icon at the top left corner. Click on it and then you will see setting options. Click on it and then you will see notification options. Click on it and then you can see my notification is on story, channel, events, trending and friend activity. So I want to turn it off, then click on it. So you can turn it off by one. So in this way you can turn off notification of story, channel, events, trending and friend activities. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.